शाबाश अर्शद, आप बताओ मुझे, व्हाट इज डेटर?
The person and the party who owes money to us is termed as debtor.
वेरी गुड. हु इज क्रेडिटर?
The person and the party whom money is owed by the business is termed as creditor.
What is the difference between cash transaction and credit transaction?
The transaction, cash transaction, the transaction in which cash is involved at the time of transaction. Credit transaction, the transaction in which cash is not involved at the time of transaction.
Very good. What are goods?
Goods are those which are purchased for resale.
What is stock?
Stock, goods lying unsold on a particular date is termed as stock.
What are the types of stock?
Two types of stock: opening stock, closing stock.
What is opening stock?
Goods lying unsold at the beginning of the year, and closing stock, goods lying unsold at the ending of the year.
Very good. What is profit?
Profit is excess of revenue over expense.
What is revenue?
Revenue, the cost is incurred of earned revenue.
Revenue.
Hmm.
What is expense?
Expense, revenue, the monetary value of monetary value of money, goods and services sold to the customer.
What is expense?
Expense, the cost is incurred of money. The cost is incurred of earned revenue.
Very good. What is gain?
Gain, it is a profit of irregular nature resulting from the transaction and events incidental to the business, such as sale of fixed asset.
Very good. What are assets?
Assets are those properties and payments of business concerned with the benefit of is derived for a period of long time and which we can convert into cash in future.
What are intangible assets?
Intangible assets are those assets which cannot have physical shape and which we can't see, feel, touch her.
Shabash. What is liability?
Liable, all those obligations of business concerned with the benefit of which derived for a period of long time period, which derived for a period of longer time and which we can repay off in future.
Shabash. What is capital?
Cash or goods introduced by the owner into the business for doing business.
Who is owner?
Owner, the person who invests capital and bear all the risk and take all the profits.
What is loss?
Loss, excess of expense over revenue.
Very good. What are book debts?
Book debts, the total amount of money owed by the sundry debtor.
Very good. What is bad debt?
Bad debts, the amount of money who can't recover, which can't recover from sundry debtor.
Shabash. Thank you.